Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultraloq UBolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The UBolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultraloq Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultraloq UBolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With UBolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your UBolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
UBolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale Assure Lock connected by August, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of Yale Assure styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere using the August app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks for you. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. Lock up by simply tapping the keypad. On your August app, create secure virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Track your door's activity with August 24/7 activity feed so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, always know your door is both closed and locked for total peace of mind. Lock, unlock, and check lock status just by asking Siri, Alexa, or the Google Assistant. At Yale, we believe you shouldn't sacrifice security for convenience. That's why our locks are tested to exceed industry standards and backed by bank-grade encryption. Installation is easy. The Yale Assure Lock replaces your existing deadbolt in minutes with just a screwdriver. And to connect to your August app, simply insert the August module, plug in the August Connect, and download the free app. Available on both Android and iOS. The Yale Assure Lock, smarter than ever, beautiful as always, never any keys.
How can door hardware make everyday life easier? What if it were simple to install, saving you time and money? Or replaced spare keys with an app? What if you never had to worry whether your kids remembered to lock the door on their way out? Everyday life gets easier thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt. Offered in a variety of styles and finishes to complement any decor, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver, while providing the highest residential security rating. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with your smartphone to provide a variety of access options using a secure connection. Now your smartphone is your key. Our free app makes your Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt easy to set up, manage, and use every day. And if you're away from home and need to lock or unlock your door, Schlage offers a variety of ways to control your smart deadbolt from anywhere. For households that include Android and Apple users, the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to your deadbolt via the Schlage Sense app. You can also pair the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt with a home automation system. Find all of the integration possibilities at Schlage.com/sense. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware that makes everyday life easier. Discover what's possible with the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt now at Schlage.com/sense.
Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight. Alexa, lock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma! Come on, faster. Who's here?
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
Date and time setting. When you get the lock, you need to set the date and time first. You can press 6 or 7 to move the cursor, and 4 or 8 to choose numbers 0 to 9. Then press enter to confirm it. Then the date and time setting are OK. Now the lock is in factory mode. Touch the screen to activate it. Every fingerprint can unlock it. Enroll master. Now we can enroll the first master. Touch the keypad, press enter to choose master ID, then press enter again to confirm the ID. Next, please input your fingerprint 3 times. Then the fingerprint setting is complete. Now, please input your password twice. The password must be set between 6 to 8 digits. Then the password setting is complete. Now the first master can use the lock. Enroll user. Now we can enroll normal users. Touch the screen, press enter to verify master. Either the password or fingerprint can be used. Choose enroll user. Now we can choose enroll another master or any other user. We enroll user this time. Press enter to confirm it, then choose user ID and confirm it. Now please enter your fingerprint 3 times and your number password twice. The password must also be between 6 to 8 digits. Then the normal user setting is complete. Now this user can unlock it. Open mode. Sometimes maybe you need open mode so that everyone can open the door. Touch the screen, press enter to verify the master, press 4 or 8 to choose the system setup, then choose open mode and confirm it. Then the open mode setting is set up. Now there is no need for password or fingerprints. Everybody can open the door. When you want to stop it, you need to press the return key for 3 seconds. Then the open mode will be deactivated. Init system. If you want to delete all the data, you can init the system. Touch the keypad, press enter to verify the master, press 4 or 8 to choose the system setup and confirm it. Then choose system init and confirm it. Now you have reset the lock. We also have many other functions. Customers can set it according to the instructions which are included in the package.